Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're reviewing my buddy's twin turbo BMW. Guys, today I'm in my buddy's twin turbo 335i BMW. Now this car is not like a regular BMW either. This one is tuned. It has multiple maps on it, like 1 through 7 I believe, and 7 being like the big boy tune. It's got a full exhaust. I believe it's got 1000 cc injectors from Spitfire. You can really hear that turbo. I don't know if y'all can pick this up on camera. It's got magnetic suspension, so the turns are super linear. They even got the gas gauge down here tuned to where that's your boost gauge. I thought that was pretty cool when I got in. So we're gonna go this way. This car sounds great. The steering is very heavy, which is good. Very sporty feel. I believe he said it was an M Sport too. It's a very sporty car. The wheels on this car are like a copper gold color, and I think it looks great with the black. This is a black car, and with the gold wheels and the being able to see the big brakes through the wheel hubs there, I think that's a good touch on the car. And you have all this stuff done to this car. The AC still works. Most built cars, you don't even get the AC working. The power steering's gone, but this one, it's got good power steering. AC's blowing really cold. It's super quiet when you're just cruising around, and until you get into it, give it a little third gear. See? Pretty linear power band. I didn't even get in nowhere near on it at all. It is a 6-speed manual transmission. The shifter is really good. It's not notchy. It's very confident shifting. At least for me anyways. I really like this car. Gosh, that power band though. Well guys, that concludes the video today on the twin turbo BMW. Would I buy one? Yes, I would.